In this video, we will be installing the Lippert Victory Step storage brackets inside our unit for travel. Adjust the feet of the step to their shortest position. This will ensure that after the storage brackets are properly attached to the wall, there will never be any situation where the garage brackets cause the step to be suspended above the floor. Then, assemble the storage bracket and attach it to the latch on the step. Repeat on the opposite side. Then position the step so the storage brackets are leaning against the wall with the step feet on the floor 3 to 4 inches away from the wall. Install appropriate screws through the top hole in each storage bracket. Then release both the step latches from the storage brackets and set steps aside. And finally, install the appropriate screws through the bottom hole in each storage bracket.